Solve for the median of the first covertex, -9 and 3, and the second covertex, 3 and 3. The equation for the median is x sub 1 plus x sub 2, the quantity divided by 2, and y sub 1 plus y sub 2, the quantity divided by 2. So substitute the x and y terms. That gives us -9 plus 3, the quantity divided by 2, and 3 plus 3, the quantity divided by 2, which becomes -6 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, and gives us -3 and 3, which is now our median or center. Now we will find the distance between the covertices and the foci. You can get the distance using either one of the covertices and finding their differences when subtracted to the center. Using the first covertex, -9 minus -3 will become -9 plus 3, which is equal to -6. Using the second covertex, 3 minus -3 will become 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6, and 6 becomes the value of our B. Now we'll get the distance between the foci and center. We will get the difference of the K and the Y value of the foci. We'll subtract 11 from 3, so we get 8, which becomes the value of our C. One of our foci will be -3 and -5. The next step will be finding the value of A. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. By substituting the values, we have a squared is equal to 36 to 64, and that is equal to 100. We will now extract the square root of the values, which gives us 10. Now we have our center, which is -3 and 3, the value of A, which is 10, the value of B, which is 6, and the value of C, which is 8. We'll now write the standard form of our ellipse using the formula. By substituting the values, we have x minus -3, the whole quantity squared over 10 squared, plus y minus 3, the whole quantity squared over 6 squared, and all of it is equal to 1. Our final equation will be x plus 3, the whole quantity squared, over 100, plus y minus 3, the whole quantity squared, over 36. And that is all equal to 1.
As for letter B, turning a general form of a hyperbola to standard form is a very simple process. First, we need to group the same variables, so it would become 9x squared minus 36x minus 4y squared minus 24y, and then we move the constant to the other side. We should factor out the coefficients. Complete the squares of the values in the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients to the constant terms of the square, then add it on the other side to balance it. Simplify the equation to perfect square binomials. Divide both sides by 36 to make the equation equal to 1. You just need to cancel out the terms to simplify the equation. And you'll get the standard form of the hyperbola.